69, terminal heading 025, I'm with you, 6 right, clear for takeoff. Stand by. American A20, contact departure, have a good night.
Forward departure, good night, American A20.
United 69, turn right heading 025, I'm with you, 6 right, clear for takeoff.
We'll ensure the runway first center, Delta 1563.
Delta 1563, turn left heading 330, runway 36 in it, clear for takeoff.
Left heading 330, runway first center, for takeoff, Delta 1563.
And Delta 1544, how do I sound now, sir?
Much better.
Perfect. All right, my bad. The microphone is disconnected. Can you repeat the departure runway, please?
36 center.
3600. Thanks for Delta 1544.
Control Tower, Blizzard 202 at Wilson Air Center, taxi out of Arth Golf.
1 second, United 69, you're staying in the pattern. No, I'm not, but you want to stay in the pattern? Okay, United 69, join it down on runway 36 right. My apologies, your call some threw me off. Who was the last aircraft that called? I apologize.
Blizzard 202 at Wilson Air Center, taxi out of Arth Golf.
Blizzard 202, runway 36 right, taxi by Delta.
36 right by Delta, Blizzard 202.